Giving your kids the best of nutrition is important for their growth and development. A healthy and balanced diet can help them to stay active, focused, and happy. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to give your kids the best of nutrition, including what to feed them and how to encourage healthy eating habits in them. As parents, it is important to ensure that our children are getting right nutrition for their growth and development. Offer them a variety of food. It is very important to offer your kids a variety of food to ensure that they are getting all the nutrients they need. Make sure to include a mix of fruits, vegetable, whole grain, lean protein and dairy in the diet. Tip number 2 is very important for all the parents. Get creative with food. Kids can be picky eaters, moody and choosy, so it is very important to get creative with food. So try to present food in fun and interesting manner, such as making a smiley face with fruits or turning vegetables into fun shapes and including some stories with them so that they can understand that how fruits and vegetables can make them healthy and strong. Processed food are often high in sugar, salt and unhealthy fat, which can lead to many health problems. So it is very important to limit your child's intake of processed food such as fast food, packaged snacks and sugary drinks. Many snacks are labeled as healthy but they are not healthy. Encourage healthy snacking. Snacking is a great way for kids to get extra nutrients throughout the day. So it is very important to encourage healthy snacking such as fruits, vegetables, nuts and yogurt, and then limit unhealthy snacking options like processed food, packed food. Make mealtime a family affair. Eating together as a family can help encourage healthy eating habits. So make mealtime a family affair and involve your kids in meal planning and preparation. Include kids in your cooking and it will encourage them eating healthy. Be a good role model. As parents, we are the biggest influence on our children's eating habits. So be a good role model by eating a healthy and balanced diet and encourage your kids to join you. So these are the tips to give your kids the best of nutrition. A healthy and balanced diet is essential for your child's growth and development. So I hope you find this video helpful. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and also do comment for healthy food option. If you want healthy food option for your kids, comment yes and I will be sharing you video as soon as possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel and see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.